What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to remove someone's story from your Snapchat feed without unadding them as a friend or doing anything like that. Now, this is a helpful feature that Snapchat recently added. It's only been up here for like a year or two, ever since they got their newest update. But basically, you're going to go to the story that you want to remove. This is just a random guy I have here. And then you're going to hold down on the story itself and then click the more all the way at the bottom. And then from here, all the way at the bottom again, you should see an option to mute the story. Now, once you hit that, it's just going to pull up a little blurb for what it's going to do. But basically, anytime you view stories, you won't be able to see it. If you scroll all the way to the right still, you could still see your hidden stories and see the story that you just muted. Also, if you search the profile name, you'll be able to view the story, but not when you're in your feed going through stories. This is just helpful if you have somebody that spams a lot, but they're still your friend and you still message them. You just don't necessarily want to see their story or get into an argument about them posting too much on their story. Trust me, I know we've all been there. If you found this tutorial confusing or need any help at all, don't be afraid to comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.